Hi guys, Dave's here. Today I'm going to show you how I put words in like my map I done. Um, I recently done one we stand and I'll show you how I do it. I'm going to do some different wording this time. So here's my flag and I've got the stars on one layer and then I got the lines on another layer. The first thing we need to do is add a layer, and let's make this one copy of lines. And then let's take the stars off right now. We want to highlight all this and copy to layer, copy of lines. Now this is one that we're going to edit on. So let's uncheck the line box here. And so if you go back and you click it, there's the original lines. Leave it unchecked. We're going to use this one right here. Okay, now let's make another layer. And this is going to be our text layer. So let's just call it text. And with it highlighted, you see it highlighted here. Let's click the outer box here and click text. And I type in America. And I'm going to use this stencil font I found. And it puts it in here. Okay. Now I want to, let's turn it sideways here. Kind of get you a fit what you want. Let's say about right there. Let's see how is that. Okay, that's supposed to be center right there, but I'm going to move it over. I think that looks more right there. Okay, now that we got our word that we're going to be using, we need to convert this to curves. So let's convert to curves. Now we're going to have individual files here. Okay. For right now, unselect on the copy of lines. And we want to select all of this right here. We want to go over to the offset tool. And I want to offset, let's do a ½ inch. Click offset. Okay. Now you see how it offset right here. Okay, we're going to cut out a little bit here, delete this one, delete this one here. The rest of it will be okay. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go back and let's create a new layer, and we're going to name it offset. And then we're going to highlight our offset and move it to it. Now we can uncheck the text field, go back and check the copy of line field, and then click close. Okay, now we need to do some trimming. So I use the vector trim tool. I'm going to trim this here, I won't need that. And I'm going to do every other stripe. So I'm going to trim this, this in here, this in here, this one, And then I'm going to trim this right here. Okay, now let's go in here and trim. Let's trim all the vectors inside this right here. Just get them out of the way. Okay, now all the ones that's got the lines in here, we'll trim them. I don't need this, don't need that. I don't need this one. And we're going to trim right here. This one right here. And well, let's go ahead and cut this off too. I don't think we need that. Some of them you might have to delete. We'll come back to some of these here. Okay. Let's go back, and we got to turn our stars on now because we got to get rid of some of them too. Okay. Let me delete that one. Okay, now we need to trim. Now we need to trim this one, this one, this one, this. Delete that little piece. Okay, I don't like the way this looks right here too, so let's see if we can cut it out. And delete that part. Okay. That looks pretty good right there. Okay guys, now that we've got it ready here, now we need to add some toolpaths. Before I go to the toolpath side, let me turn off the text and the offset, and then I'll click close. Then I'm going to highlight all the stars here, and I'm going to go to a Vcarve, and I'm going to let it just cut as deep as it wants. I'm using a 90-degree V-bit, and let's name this Vcarve stars. And check. Let's go back over here. Now I want to hide the stars. Let's do the offset. Go over here. This time I'm going to do a flat depth. Let's just try it 60 thousandths. If not, we'll make it 80. I'm using a 90-degree V-bit and then a 1/8 inch mill. Highlight them all. Just straps. Okay, now let's uncheck these. Go back over. And now we want to do the text. So I'm going to do it the same way I'm going to do the flat depth 60, use the 9-degree V-bit and a 1/8 end through mill. Now you can use a bigger end mill if you want to. So let's highlight it, and let me just type in text. Click calculate. Okay, now let's do some previews. Okay, now let's add a little color to our toolpaths. So the stars need to be white. The stripes are going to be red. And then let's make the text blue. There you go, guys. I hope somebody got something from this. And all thing you just do now is save your toolpaths and carve it. As always, thanks for watching, guys.